Hello, everybody. This is Rachna from the Lean Law Firm. I am working today from my home office because I am isolating myself as much as possible to help keep the community and society as healthy as possible. So, I am actually really excited to talk with you about what we're going to be focusing on this week for Money March, because this is a topic that I feel very, very passionate about, and something that I think you as consumers and as clients need to be informed about so that you can make good decisions about who to hire as your attorney early on. So, and that topic is, what should you actually be paying your lawyer for? And more specifically, what should you not be paying a lawyer for? There are some things out there in the legal community. Industry standard is to bill for these things, but when I look at it as a human being, as somebody who would hire and retain a lawyer myself, there are things I don't want to be paying out of pocket for. And as a lawyer who owns my own firm and manages my own firm, there are things that I can't imagine charging clients for just on the basis of fairness. So, what should you be paying your lawyer for? I just published a blog post at leanlawfirm.com that goes into this in detail. It is a very opinionated piece. I just want to put that out there right now. When you talk to different lawyers, everyone will have a different opinion about what lawyers should charge for and what they shouldn't. So I want you to know this particular blog post that I put out, while I try to put out resources and objective information for you normally, this one is going to be very opinion focused, and it's going to change from lawyer to lawyer depending on who you ask. But in my opinion, the way I would sum it up is to say that a lawyer should charge you for things that require a law degree. So if there's something a lawyer is doing that you cannot do if you're not a lawyer, that is what a lawyer should be billing for. If there are things they are doing to actively work towards resolution on your case, that's what they should be billing for. There are some things out there like travel time and copying expenses that get added on by a lot of lawyers to their bills. Those expenses get passed on to their clients that, in my opinion, just doesn't sound fair to pass that on. I've been driving since I was 16, maybe 15. I don't need to be charging you the same rate I charge to go to court to be driving to and from court. So I want you to know this is an area that's very, very largely opinion based. And that's why it's so important for you to talk to any lawyer you are considering hiring to find out what they're going to bill you for. And there's two reasons why you want to look into this early. One, it's going to give you some insight into your values and your lawyer's values to make sure that you have a value match when it comes to money. And that value match is going to help you later on down the line while you're negotiating a settlement or preparing for trial. The second reason is because it's going to help control your expenses. You need to know where your money is going. When you put down a retainer, you need to have an idea of how long that retainer is going to last before you end up spending more money or putting down another retainer. So it's very important for you to know from the outset exactly where your money is going to go, and that you and your lawyer are on the same page in terms of values. What will happen if you don't? If you don't look into this early on, and if you are not completely clear on how you will be billed, you might find yourself in a situation where you are partway through your case, you realize that your lawyer is not the right lawyer for you, or you have run out of money to pay your lawyer, and then you're in a situation where you have to make some difficult decisions about how to proceed when your case is already underway and a strategy is already being played out. I don't want to see you in that position. So by all means, before you hire a lawyer, talk to them about how you're going to be billed, understand how you will be billed, and know in advance what you're okay with paying for and what you're not. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments, and I'll be happy to answer them. Again, my name is Rachna from the Lean Law Firm. I'm looking forward to helping you this week learn and understand how to pay lawyers and how to keep from paying them too much. Thanks, everybody.